I'm back at the Black Canyon, and there's a reason. I didn't shoot a video last time I was here, but I thought I'd make it up to you and come to the North Canyon where I haven't been, and then we'll try to see as much of the South Canyon before we camp. Sound good? Alright, let me see if I can find one of the first viewpoints over here. Alright, I don't know if this is the actual viewpoint, but it's pretty dang pretty. Oh, that looks like a nice viewpoint right there. Let me hop down there. Now this side, the road is not paved, but you can do your little $20 week pass for a vehicle. Holy cow. Yeah, and they said the views are quite different on this side. You haven't seen the other side yet, so you don't get to decide. But I will say, wow. Wow. Oh, wow. And it's just so calm. You can just hear the wind. Let me hand do it for you. Look at that. Holy cow. I looked down while I was recording. That's wild. Hold on, let me hop down here and I'll give you a better view. This is crazy. Holy cow. Oh wow, that's what I'm hearing. That is not wind, it's water. You go ahead and hang off the edge. That is way down there. And this is only the first little viewpoint. Holy cow. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna take a few pictures and head on to the next one. Okay, so it turns out that was not the viewpoint. I didn't see any signs, so I kind of wondered. But if you go around the camping loop, you'll get to the view trail, the first one. It's got 2 viewpoints, I guess. I'm just gonna hustle down it and see what it looks like. Okay, so it looks like, I'm guessing these are tenths, so 5/10 of a mile down. You come to what appears to be your view. Now there's 2 viewpoints. I think one's over there. I hear some people. But I'm gonna go to this one. It's not that far down. It doesn't really say on the map, so I was wondering. Alright. It is 8/10 of a mile to the one on the left hand side. Woo-wee. Trying to hustle. Trying to squeeze as much into this as possible before it gets dark. Because I want to camp here. A little manual action for you guys. Oh yeah. That is quite a view. Now it is a little hazy. I don't know if you see it much, like in the canyon over there. There's a lot of fires in the state, but it's not ruining the view too much. Alright, now I can continue on. There should be, since there's 2 here, there's 5 more on this side. This next view is the Narrows. Let's take a look. I have a feeling the view's a little better. Keep going to the left. Oh yeah. Let's see. Ooh, nice cool breeze. Wonder if that's the Narrows. How tight the canyon is right there. Pretty wild. Now we are at Balanced Rock View. That thing is huge. Okay, I forgot the name of this one. I think it's like Island Views or something. Well, let's take a peek. Oh. It's quite a lot to look at. It's hard to take pictures out here because it's so tall. So even a panoramic wouldn't do it. It's hard to take it all in. But it's beautiful. This is the last view on this side. Is Kneeling Camel. Was it rock? I don't know. Or view. I don't really see the camel. Unless that's it. Yeah, that's probably it. Now it looks like a camel. But then it's like close to a 2-hour drive to the other rim. And we're gonna go look at as much as we can before we go camp. This, I think, is Tomichi Point. The first one on the south rim. Yeah, I don't know where. I bet you that other road is visible. I can kind of see some gray over there. Alright, now we are at the view right by the visitor center. I don't think I went to this one before. I think it's the Gunnison view or something. But, change of plans on the camping. I guess the Gunnison route takes a lot longer than I thought, like 4 to 6 hours. And there's no maintained path. And there's only one spot left for one person, so we're gonna go on the East Portal Road and try to hike over a cliff to a campsite. But let's go take a look at this. I'll be okay. Beautiful. Alright, back to the car. And now we are at Pulpit Rock. I believe this is my favorite one from last time, where I got my best picture. I want to show you this one, and then probably we're going to go all the way to the end and hit up Warner Point, since I know I didn't hit that last time. But let's go take a peek. Oh, there's a lizard, little baby lizard. Oh yeah. This is the spot. Would you just look at that? Probably the best view in the park. Alrighty, I am hiking down the Warner Point Trail. It said it was like 1,300 yards. That's a nice view. Can you see it? But this will be the last view, and then I'm gonna drive back and see about getting into our camping spot. Have to do the wilderness pass permits, and if you're gonna do it, see, I did it over at the North Rim, thinking I could reserve a spot over here on the South Rim, but they have no way to relay that information unless they're gonna call each other or something. So, East Rim, or East Portal, it is. Okay, this is the side of Warner Point. This is where it's supposed to be the deepest. That looks gloomy. That tree really doesn't help it much. I'm gonna go over here and get the other view where you can actually see back into the canyon, because we're at the other end. Dang. Wow. Perfect time to be here with the sun behind you. That's crazy. Alright, take a little peek off to the side before I head back. Not that bad of a hike, but I hate to do it. Gotta cut my video recording a little short. Gave you guys, what, 3 on the South Rim. There's quite a few. There's more views on this rim than there are the North. But I gotta get to a campsite before it's dark, because I don't like setting a tent up in the dark. Imagine that. Okay, well, see you in a bit.